Listening. Listen and check.
In the book program today, we're talking about a very popular author. The name on his books is R.L. Stine. His full name is, in fact, Robert Lawrence Stine. R.L. Stine was born in the U.S. in 1945, and he started writing stories when he was 6 years old. He started writing horror stories in 1985, and now he's written more than 200 books. He's sold more than 100 million books, and he's a multi-millionaire. How does he do it? Well, he works non-stop. Last year, he wrote 2 books every month. He works 7 hours a day, 6 days a week. He's still incredibly popular, and he receives 2,000 letters every week from his fans.